Hi, in this video, I'll be teaching you how to check Facebook messages without installing Messenger. So let's begin. The very first step is to open your web browser such as your Chrome or Safari. So go ahead and open it and search for or type in messenger.com. So once you're in messenger.com, what you're going to do is to click on this three dots right here. If you're using Chrome, then click on the three dots and click on Request Desktop Site. But if you are using Safari, then you are in Messenger like this one. What you're going to do is to click on this double A icon right here and click on Request Desktop Site. So once you're in the desktop site or desktop mode, then you should log in with your Messenger or your Facebook account. So type in your email or phone number, type in your password, and then click on login right here. So once you have logged in, you will see a section or a page like this one. So you have the profile pictures of your messages right here on the left part, and then their messages on the right part right here. So now you may search or look for your message or the message that you want to read, and then there you go. That's how you can check Facebook messages without installing Messenger.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.